Okay, today we have on the bench a Carlsbro Bassline 100. It burnt out, presumed, and it no longer works. It's been brought to me, just a chassis, and we're now going to have a little look at it and see what we can see. There is something quite obvious here. We've got a TDA 7923 integrated circuit, 100 watt output. It can be paralleled. You could have a second one here for 200 watts output. That's a great thing about these. But this one in particular, I don't know if you can see it right down there. On the second from the right, there's a burn mark. Let me just get a pen or something if I can point it out to you. Right there. If you follow that trace down, that goes straight to the last filtering capacitor. Now, bearing in mind this date stamp or date tag here, week 2795, that means it's 35 years old or thereabouts. These appear to be the original capacitors. No doubt they started to fail with AC creeping across the DC line, and probably caused a surge in current, and probably fried that audio output IC. So what I intend to do is, I have a brand new TDA 7293 to replace that one, and every single electrolytic capacitor in this amp I'm going to replace. The great thing about Carlsbro amps is they're fairly straightforward and they're easy to work on. I've had several Carlsbros over the years, never been a major problem with any of them, and yeah, no problem working on these. Anyway, I'm going to carry out this work and then we'll see how we get on afterwards. Bye bye.